Good morning, Legion. We're back after a brief hiatus, and we have a big week ahead with 5 Legion meetups hitting Tokyo, Lagos, Sao Paulo, Lampung, and Minsk. If you're near, come through, meet local Legionnaires, catch ecosystem updates, and lock in with the community. Now for our stories today. First up, all-time volume on Near Intense has officially crossed $15 billion. That number keeps climbing, and with the fee switch now live, every single swap contributes directly to protocol revenue denominated in the Near token. This isn't just volume for volume's sake, this is the beginning of value capture on Near protocol. Next up, IronClaw docs are officially live. If you've been waiting to deploy your first agent, now is the time. Head to docs.ironclaw.com and get started in minutes. We've heard internally that there are a number of future upgrades coming to IronClaw, and it's a great time to get started. Turning to our AI story today, it's a big one. Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, went on the record saying for the first time that we've officially achieved AGI. Now, whether you agree with that statement or not, the fact that the man running the company supplying compute for the entire AI industry is willing to say that publicly tells you enough about where we are right now. The window to prepare for AGI is closing. The future belongs to those building with AI right now, and that's why more than ever it's important to focus on the Near ecosystem. That's all for today. A big week ahead for the Near Legion. We'll do this all again real soon.